Today, we will walk you through the AskCody Bookings add-in. The Bookings add-in is one of 3 AskCody add-ins that lets you search for all meeting rooms across multiple locations and time zones with ease, making it easy to find an available room or desk based on your purpose, special equipment, and capacity of the room, all within the very familiar interface of Outlook. Let's jump into our Outlook calendar and create a new meeting as we normally would. We'll title this client meeting, and we will invite John and Jane Doe. Let's make it for Thursday at noon and set it at 2 p.m. Our 3 add-ins are conveniently located at the top of the Outlook ribbon. So to find a room that is suitable for the meeting, let's use the AskCody Bookings add-in. In the Locations field, we can choose between our different office locations, but for this example, we will look for a room in Boston. Our Purpose field helps guide users to find rooms suitable for their specific purpose. Let's look for an external meeting room with video conferencing equipment. You'll see the attendees box is auto-populated because we have John, Jane, and myself attending. And if we had one more person coming and we didn't have their emails, we can simply update the attendees to 4. Before we click on Find, we will want to check this box because we want catering. This is to find rooms that have enough buffer time. Buffer time gives your facilities a set time, in our case, 15 minutes both before and after the meeting, to prep and clean up the meeting room. Now we can click on Find to look for a room that is available, including buffer time, which is from 12:45 to 2:15, and rooms are listed from what best fits our needs. We can see available rooms and occupied rooms. If we want to know the location of the room, we can tap on the More button to see a map of the location. We see Bravo as our best choice as it fits exactly 4 people. It can fulfill our purposes. Let's click on Add and send the invitation away.